So I just picked up this 2006 Ford Explorer behind me. My kid's getting ready to get his license, so I was looking around with something that's a halfway decent truck for him, and it seemed to fit the bill. If you guys want to see any videos on this, definitely reply back, leave a comment, and we'll possibly try to get to them. Things that we're doing on this truck, it needs a set of wheel hub bearings, a set of tie rod ends, so we're going to be tackling that. And the wheels on that are kind of gross, so I've ordered a new set of rims for it, new set of tires. The tires are all bald, and it's going to need a tune-up. Whenever you buy like a used car, I plan on spending a little bit of money to change all the fluids on it, tune it up. So I'll be doing some spark plug wires and plugs in it, and a whole bunch of other things. So another thing that was up with this truck when I bought it is there's a little light on the shift indicator on the floor console. That is out, so I'll show you how to dive into there and replace the little light bulb that's on the shifter on the floor on the console on this. It's not too hard to do, but it can be a little bit confusing as to where this thing is, so I'll give you a heads up on that. And as we bang out videos on this, I have a playlist going. Check out the Ford Explorer playlist, and I'll add that into the description of this video so you guys can kind of go right to it and check stuff out. I've also have to put a set of hood struts in it. When the hood is up, it falls back down, so we'll be swapping those out. But to kind of do a quick walk around on this truck, the truck is in pretty good shape. The paint's pretty decent on it. The wheels are kind of crappy, but that's kind of to be expected here in New England with the snow and all the crap on the road. So I've got a new set of rims coming that are like an OE style rim. They look pretty good. And the paint's really pretty decent on this truck. It's not rotted at all. There's a few little, marks in it, but I'm gonna get a buffing wheel, compound that out, and I'll do like a little bit of a makeover on this thing too. The back is pretty good. There's no rust around the tailgate. And then the other side, the passenger side's halfway decent too. This truck is in pretty good shape for being a 2006, and especially for being here in New England. The headlights are pretty good on it, so they're not all clouded up. But we got something pretty decent to start off with. So if you have a problem with your Explorer, definitely leave a comment, and if it's something I need to tackle on this thing, we'll definitely make a video of it, and we'll put it into the description of this video and into our playlist too. Thanks for watching, guys.